Hi everyone, welcome back to The Sensational Crafter, where creativity and money saving meet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a coin purse out of duct tape. So if you've got loose change lying around, gather it up, because by the end of this video, you're going to have somewhere new to put it. So if you want to see how this project is made, keep on watching. And as always, I'm starting out on a self-healing cutting mat. All you're going to need is duct tape and a print of your choice, an X-Acto knife, and a 4-inch zipper. So as you can see here, I'm just going to start by peeling off some of the duct tape. And I'm using a piece that's about 6 inches long. And I'm just going to take it and trim it down with the X-Acto knife. Then we're going to take another piece that's the same length and layer it on the top. So I decided last minute that I wanted to line up the print of the duct tape, so it took a little bit longer to get it straight, but I eventually got it, and this is what we ended up with. You don't have to line it up. You can save tape if you don't, but I just felt like being extra, so I went ahead and lined it up. And once again, I'm just going to trim the ends, make it nice and even. And here we have the beginning of the makings of our coin purse. So we're just going to repeat the first step, and we're going to create 4 of these 4x6 rectangles that we're going to then use to create our coin purse. Forgot to mention at the beginning of the video that I do mostly all of my crafts on a self-healing cutting mat because it just makes it a lot easier. You have a nice, neat, dedicated workspace, and especially when doing duct tape crafts, a self-healing cutting mat makes it easy to lift up the duct tape without leaving a sticky residue. So once we've got our 4 pieces together, we're going to go ahead and match them up by taking one piece and laying it on top of the other one. And just stick them together. And then you're going to do the same thing for the other 2 pieces. So you should end up with 2 pieces of duct tape, like duct tape sheets. And once you've done that, if you have any little extra pieces hanging off the ends, you can go ahead and just neaten it up with your X-Acto knife and make it nice and straight. And once you've got your 2 pieces nice and neat, you're going to take your zipper and your duct tape square, and you're going to just line it up on each side of your zipper. And once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and cut another piece of duct tape. Doesn't have to be exact, but I'm using approximately an 8-inch piece here, and I'm just going to slice it down the middle to turn it into 2 duct tape strips. And you're going to take the strip and use it to apply your duct tape square to your zipper. And then flip it over and take the other strip, and you want to apply it to the back. Then take your X-Acto knife, cut off any excess pieces. And then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And once we've completed that, we're going to just go ahead and fold it over just like this. And as you can see, it's starting to look like the making of a coin purse. And you just want to unzip the zipper and take your X-Acto knife and just even everything out. And at this step, if you have to cut off a little piece of the zipper on the corner, that's perfectly fine because we're going to go ahead and seal that with more duct tape, so it won't make a difference in the end. So now we're going to take another strip of duct tape and cut it down the middle. We're actually going to do this with 2 pieces of duct tape, so we have enough to go all the way around the coin purse, which you'll see in a second. And just go ahead and slice it down the middle so you end up with 4 strips of duct tape. We're just going to take a strip of that and place it on the edge of the one side of the coin purse and press it down. And then just flip it over and fold that piece of duct tape on the other side. And as you're doing this, you can just trim the little extra pieces as you go. And we'll just do this all the way around all the sides. There you have it, you guys, the completed coin purse. It's ready to hold all your loose change, and it's even big enough to hold cards too. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. And last but not least, if you decide to recreate this coin purse, tag the Sensational Crafter on Instagram so I can see your wonderful creation. Until next time, have a sensational day.